Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a Trello board so that you can quickly access them at any point in time. Now, if you're working with Trello on a day-to-day basis, whether you're using it in an organization or you're just simply using to collaborate on a specific project, you will realize that you'll find out that from time to time, you'll be creating different boards and it will be very beneficial for you to quickly access them. So let me go ahead and click on boards, for example, on the left hand side here, and you can see that I have a bunch of different boards, and you also have different boards on the different workspace. So on the upper left hand side, if you click on the workspace and I click towards a different workspace here, you can see that I have multiple different boards that I can easily access. Now, once you hover over a particular board, you can quickly start it. So let's say I want to start the SEO creation and I want to start, for example, the support ticket management and that's it, right? I can easily go ahead and find this at any point in time. So if I go ahead and I click, for example, I don't know, my ideas, I don't have to go back to, for example, boards and then come here back and select a particular board that I want to access. I can easily quickly access those if I click the upper left hand side. There's an option called start. I click the drop down and I now have these boards available here. They are like my favorites, right? So think of start as your favorites, so you can quickly come here and you can switch between them, and that's how you can easily access those, right? I also want to mention that it doesn't matter which workspace you're in, you can easily access this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch to a different workspace here. Let's say I go to my space here, and let's say I go to, for example, this new hire one, and I want to go to one of those start boards that I have created. It is still available, so I can simply go to the drop down start again, and as you can see, those workspace are there as well. So I can quickly go ahead and switch to, for example, the SEO option or the support. So let's say I'm working with the HR and I want to quickly check a ticket or something in the support ticket management. I can quickly switch there and I have access to this. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.